Hello designers, you're welcome to my channel. My name is Evelyn Paul and today I'm going to be showing the easiest pattern to draft a basic sleeve. The basic sleeve is a foundation you need to draft any other sleeve style, and this tutorial is beginner friendly. The tools that you'll be needing are your tape rule, your ruler, your curve ruler, your pattern paper and your pencils. And then the measurements that you need are your sleeve length, your round sleeve, calf height, armhole depth or shoulder length. And the best way for you to get the best out of this video is remember to take note, to rewind wherever you do not understand. Also, do not forget to drop your question in the comment section. If this is what you like to learn, kindly let's jump in. Thank you so much. See ya. First thing first, fold your paper into two, leaving enough allowance. Then from the top of your paper, come down by 1 inch. This is your start point now, and then mark. Now from this start point, come down by your calf's height. Your calf's height is divided by your bust divided by 12. Okay, on this line, mark out your armhole divided by 2 or shoulder divided by 2. Indicate it there and then connect from the top of the diagonal line down to meet your armhole, just as you see me do. Then you make use of your curve ruler to curve from that point. Curve nicely. Make sure your curve is sitting from one point to another point without any kind of mistake, just as you see me do. Yeah. Okay, now the next step is you take the length of your sleeve. I should have done this earlier, but I actually forgot. So take the length of your sleeve and then mark, right? Okay, so the diagonal line, divide it into 4 equal parts. Start by getting a midpoint, just as you see me do. You get a midpoint of that diagonal line, you mark, and then get the midpoint of each side, just as you're seeing me doing at the moment. You get the midpoint. So at the end of the day, you are getting 3 points. Okay, I'm doing it on the other side too, just half of each of the sides, half of this side and half of that side, half of each side of the midpoint. This is very easy to do. You can see now I'm having 1, 2, 3 points. Okay, so this part is it's going to give us the front. Now I'm going to curve. Okay, before then, at the first side of the point here, exactly here, now I'm going up by half an inch, and this side I'm coming down on that point exactly. I'm coming down by half an inch. You go up by half an inch and then you come down by half an inch, and then you use your curve ruler to curve it, that you're going from the start point across the 1 inch, half inch mark, and then go through the midpoint like so, as you see me do, and then you turn your ruler. You then come down to the half inch drop down at that midpoint, as you can see, and then curve to meet the armhole depth, just as you're seeing now. You can see it's very easy, it's not difficult. If you have any question, you can drop it down in the comment section. So now at the hem sleeve length, you divide your round sleeve by 2. Whatever you get, you mark it and then connect to the armhole, just as you see me do. Cut out all unwanted part, just as you see me do, like so. I'm cutting out all the unwanted parts. All these parts are not needed. Okay, cut out this part too. This is the top. Okay, cut out. All right, then you open up your paper. Remember, this pattern does not have any allowances, so you add your allowance before you cut out on your fabric. All right, so open out. Then you now this is where the fun comes in. You cut out the front part. Remember, the front of your armhole is usually deeper than that of the back. This is exactly what we are trying to achieve here. So we are cut out the front of the armhole to indicate, show us that this is the front and this is the back. So this is me labeling it back and front sleeve. Now when you're cutting out on your fabric, remember to add your hem allowance